Website migration and launches are the staple of website design and development. Setting your process and practicing it is the best way to avoid any costly mistakes in real environments. With migrations, you must always prepare by reviewing the website and estimating the complexity of the migration. Some may be easy, while some may require many steps and manual procedures. Build with the launch in mind, so you aren't left scrambling at the end when emotions are high and the client is expecting the website to be live. Plan and prepare for your launch while you build to make your development more efficient. Whether it's a migration or a brand new website from scratch, quality control checks are critical to delivering a product that works and functions as the client expects. As you take the website live, get to know the platform and your web host of choice. This may mean you switch platforms and hosting based on the solutions that they provide for launching websites with ease. Lastly, consider your offboarding procedure and how you will deliver what the client needs. Training your client leads to the satisfaction a client feels after the website launch. Give the client keys to their website with the knowledge they need to make simple edits on their new CMS. Take all the resources delivered in this lesson and use them to develop your processes. Practice, tweak, and perfect taking a website live. Practice migrating a specific type of website, like e-commerce. Work at it until you get an accurate idea of the time and complexities of migrations and launches so you quote your clients appropriately. And make sure launch timelines stay on track.